Hello friend, today I am going to tell you how you can run your machine learning and deep learning code in cloud with the help of Google CoLab. First of all, you have to search for Google CoLab and hit enter. And after that, click on this link. Okay. And after that, you need to create your first notebook. This is called notebook. Okay, I just click here. I just click here and after that it will load. Just have patience. Okay. Now after that you have to just first click here and just go to this, and after that it will take some time and show you the file. Okay. Here you can upload file, and here if you add some file and you can refresh from here, and you can mount your drive to this Google Colab. Just mount here, then you can access any CSV file from your Google Drive. Okay, after mounting you can just code your machine learning and train your model in this Google Colab. For example, if you want next line, just hover here and just click on next. You can create multiple line. Okay, and for running, just for example I want to run print. Here I provide code hello. To run this command, I just use shift plus enter. It will run. Okay. Similarly, if you want to provide some text here, just hover and provide text. It will something like comment in our programming. Hello is printed. Now shift plus enter. Okay, this is how you can name your piece of code, and you can understand what you did here. Okay, you can also change the name of this project. Here you can see this is our project name. I can change with my first project project and just hit enter. You can see this is my project, and you can also search in your drive. Okay, and you can access anywhere from your mobile, your laptop, computer. Just log in with the same ID. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.